Repeat after me. My weight doesn't matter. My weight doesn't matter. My weight doesn't matter. If you're in a good exercise and nutrition program, your weight tells you very little about the progress that you've made. In fact, it can be misleading. It can make you nuts. I'm working out so hard and I only lost a pound. So here's what I tell the people that I coach. Lose the scale, forget about your weight. And here's a fun way to do it. Find someone in your family or one of your friends and have them hide your scale on you. One thing to note though, make sure that if they're over the age of 40 or between the ages of 12 and 22, that they tell someone else where they hit it, or you may never see your scale again. So okay, after they hide the scale, do your workout and nutrition program for 21 weeks. And at the end of 21 weeks, you can bribe the person who hit your scale with a celebration of your choice. What fun will that be? And then you can use the scale to weigh yourself, and I guarantee you, no matter what the scale says, you'll be thrilled, because you'll look better and you'll feel great. And just remember, your weight doesn't matter.